Please click key marking on home page. Please click Input. Please click Text button after input turns from black into red, and click OK after input corresponding characters. Use a dividing rule to measure width of key. Adjust width of text box to the same as width of key. Please click Characters to be centered, then click Hold to be centered. Please click Font button to choose suitable font, then click OK button. Please click Next button. Please choose speed, depth and way according to your requirement, and please kindly note only when hatching is chosen, hatching interval can be selected. Please clamp target key and click Start button. After add jet cutter to applicable position, please click Engrave button. After finish engraving, please take out key.